Gaano ba kaganda mag-deliver ng condominium sa Mega World? Tara, silipin natin. Find the best property in the Philippines with Lux Manila. Hello investees! Welcome sa actual unit ni Mega World's Uptown Arts Residence. We are offering top-of-the-line European brands like the Goran Hay for refrigerator, vertical range hood, induction cooktop with a built-in oven, Frank for the sink and retractable faucet, Hacker brand for the soft-close cabinets. We also have a split-type inverter aircon in the living room. Tara, doon naman tayo sa first bedroom. Naka-ceramic wooden plank pala tayo investors sa ating mga bedrooms. Kasama na rin tong cabinet and the split-type inverter aircon. Very invoke naman for our bathroom. What you see is what you get. For our master bedroom, we have a sliding door cabinet, a split-type inverter aircon, and the own bathroom. What are you waiting for? Kuha na!